Where filaments come from. When we say basic particles are rolled energy filaments, one question jumps out: where do those filaments come from? In energy filament theory F, the answer is not inside any single particle. It lives in how the whole energy sea first grows preferred directions, then turns those directions into threads. Like an ocean, the energy sea is never still. It seethes with random motion, but chaos does not stay perfectly even. Stir a pot of soup and the flow looks messy. Yet a narrow lane appears where the liquid slips more easily. The soup quietly finds an easier route. The energy sea does the same. Let random waves crash long enough and one direction in some region becomes slightly smoother than the rest. Disturbances begin to favor that path. The more they use it, the smoother it becomes and the straighter it runs. In time you get more than motion. You get a real texture line in the sea. Texture is step 1. A texture line is like a worn road. A filament is what you get when that road is rolled up, tightened, and locked into a strand. The road is the easy path, the strand is the frozen path. This is not a fantasy. In real systems, smooth fields grow string-like structures on their own. Quantum fluids form vortices, plasmas grow current filaments. Strong lasers pull light filaments out of air. Again and again, continuous media under stress write thin threads into themselves. Now picture running your finger along the same track on a still pond, stroke after stroke. After a while you see a faint water scar where the flows align. The energy sea works the same way. Repeated waves and repeated tension carve sea scars that guide later motion. Later in this season we will ask 3 linked questions. Where do particles come from? From small loops rolled out of these texture lines. Where does charge come from? From loops that lean their texture inward or outward. Where does force come from? From tension slopes and how texture lines line up. Texture and tension form a 2-word grammar for the microscopic world in energy filament theory. Once you can read that grammar, every field and every force gets a concrete picture. Next episode, generalized unstable particles, and why they may be the real face behind what we now call dark matter. Tap follow, share it on New Physics, Clear Universe.